Oh, who's that? Look! Is it a puppy? No, is it a kitty? Oh no! I know! It's a goose! In Chinese, we say Can you say Today's Chinese word is goose. Let's sing it slowly.
曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。
Can you remember? Goose. Can you say it? Goose. Yay! You did it! Can you be a goose? Stretch your neck. Can you waddle? Waddle, waddle, waddle. That's so silly. Let's clap to the poem. Can you clap it with me? 曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。Yay! You did it! Great job! Let's sing it faster.
曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。
Let's read it slowly.
咏鹅，曲项
向天歌，
白毛浮绿水，
白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。
Great job， 真棒！
Can you learn this poem with me?
咏鹅，曲项向天歌，
曲项向天歌，
白毛浮绿水，
白毛浮绿水，
红掌拨清波，
红掌拨清波。
Yay! You did it! Great job! Let's be poem detectives. 拍拍手，跺跺脚，转一圈。小朋友们准备好了吗？我们开始吧。Can you find Chinese words? Point to it. There it is. You found it. Say it with me. Goose. Let's sing it again. Let's sing it faster.
曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。曲项向天歌，白毛浮绿水，红掌拨清波。
Yay! You did it! Great job! Ready for more fun? Ask a grown-up to get the activity pack below. Grown-ups, the guide walks you through each step, even if Mandarin is new for your family. Do you know? You just learned a Chinese poem. I am so proud of you. Come sing with me again. Grown-ups, don't forget to subscribe.
跟着 Miss Lili 唱唱跳跳学故事。